Hey folks, so after a period of time of waiting for the Blackmagic Pyxis to come in, it's finally arrived at the studio, and with all said, I realized that this is likely not the camera for my work case needs. You know, this is nice. I have to commend Blackmagic in the build quality that they put into this camera. None of the other cameras, especially from the Pocket lineup that I've used in the past, have anywhere near this level of quality or heft to it. But, you know, some of the things, I realize that this camera is primarily geared towards cinematic filmmaking use cases. Like, this isn't something, even though it's going to come out with a display that you could use as a front-facing monitor, it's not something really used for self-studio, mirrorless camera-like content creation. It's just a bit overkill in that regard. But with that said, if you are the consumer that's buying this with the intent of utilizing this for filmmaking cinema use cases, I think you will enjoy this. This form factor is really nice, though it does have a good sizable amount of weight to it. Like, this thing's pretty heavy. And then when you throw on a V-mount battery and some more accessories, it only gets heavier. So you're definitely gonna want to have some support however you're rigging this out, probably 2 handles or a shoulder rig or something like that. But for those that this camera was designed for, I hope you enjoy. Yeah, but if you're like me and you're, you know, just doing stuff where you're shooting content in a self-filmmaking scenario, this is a bit overkill. And the size and weight is, in my opinion, not desirable. But there you have it, folks. Those are my thoughts on the Blackmagic Pyxis and why it will be leaving my studio setup. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. I'll also have links in the description if you are curious about checking out this product. As always, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.